Buddy buddy, understanding a friendly English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. We'll explore the phrase, buddy buddy, what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you get comfortable with it. So, let's get started and add another interesting expression to your English vocabulary. Buddy buddy is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe a relationship that is very friendly, often in a way that seems excessive or overdone. When two people are buddy buddy, they are very close or overly familiar with each other, sometimes in a way that others might find surprising or inappropriate given the context, like a student being very friendly with a teacher. The term comes from the word buddy, which means a close friend. The repetition of the word emphasizes the closeness or the informal nature of the relationship. This phrase is often used in casual, spoken English and can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting that the friendliness might be insincere or used for personal gain. Let's look at some examples. 1. They seem really buddy-buddy lately, always hanging out together. This shows two people becoming very close. 2. I don't trust their deal, they're too buddy-buddy with the suppliers. Here, it implies a possibly unprofessional level of closeness. 3. She's trying to be buddy-buddy with the boss for a promotion. This suggests using friendliness for personal advantage. It's important to understand the context in which buddy-buddy is used. In professional settings, being buddy-buddy with someone might be seen negatively, as it could suggest favoritism or unprofessionalism. In social settings, however, it might simply mean two people are very good friends. That's all about the phrase, buddy-buddy. Remember, understanding the context is key to using this phrase appropriately. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be buddy-buddy with English idioms in no time.